everybody, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be cooking some oxtails braised in cola. So I used a half a can of cola, and I'm going to put some seasoning on it. I'm going to use some garlic and pepper seasoning. Spread it all over it and cook it in a slow cooker. I'm going to let this cook for about 4 to 5 hours. This is oxtail seasoning mix. I'm almost out. I got to get some more. Griller's Choice oxtail seasoning mix. I'm going to spread some of that over it. And then later on, I'm going to make a gravy. But I'm just going to let this get started cooking. For now, we'll come back 5 hours later when it's ready. Put it on high. Okay, there we go. Y'all can tell I use my crock pot a lot because look, I got grime and grease and other foods on there that I can't even get off. But it's okay because it's a tried and true crock pot and I love it and it works for me. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, these are my oxtails. They're cooking like I expected them to. I'm getting ready to add some gravy in there and they're going to be ready. Falling off the bone. Yum, yum. Okay, so here's the oxtails. They look so good and juicy. Yes, indeed. Falling off the bone. Falling off the bone. Oh, tender. They've been cooking all day. Look at that. Look at that. Falling off the bone, tender. I'm going to taste that. That oxtail seasoning just did it. Hit the spot. That's so good. Look at that. I know I'm double dipping. Somebody gonna pick that up, but it's okay. It's what I'm the only one gonna be eating this, so it's okay. All right, got that gravy in there. I'm gonna pour this. I'm gonna cook this with some cabbage and some cabbage and probably some either black beans or some kidney beans and rice. It's gonna be a Caribbean meal. Not Caribbean, I'm sorry, Jamaican. It's gonna be a Jamaican meal. All right. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. I have this recipe already on my channel. I'll put a link in the bio. So thank you for tuning in. And as always, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And bon appetit. Let's eat.